Hey everyone! If you're looking to dominate digital marketing in 2024, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through the latest strategies and tools that can skyrocket your marketing game. First off, let's talk about social media. It's not just about posting regularly anymore. It's about creating content that resonates, that speaks directly to the needs and emotions of your audience. Are you leveraging short-form videos? Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels are gold mines for engagement right now. But it's not just about being present, it's about being smart. Analyze your performance metrics. Which posts are getting the most interaction? What time are your followers most active? Use this data to refine your strategy and maximize your impact. Next up, SEO. This might sound old school, but trust me, it's as crucial as ever. With Google constantly updating its algorithms, you need to keep your content fresh and relevant. Are you optimizing your keywords? Are your articles comprehensive and authoritative? Remember, it's about quality, not just quantity. Now let's not forget about email marketing. It's one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal if you know how to use it. Personalization is key. No one wants to read a generic sales pitch. Segment your audience, tailor your messages, and watch your engagement rates soar. Lastly, stay agile. The digital world moves fast, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and stay ahead of the curve. That's it, folks. Digital marketing is an exciting field, full of opportunities to grow and innovate. Use these tips and I promise you'll see the results. Let's crush it in 2024.